Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Cubot Max 3 has a stereo speakers. So in order to check that, first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device. So the first one is located right here. It's a phone call speaker in the middle. There's no speakers on top. And there's speakers right here at the bottom. So now we'll need to play some music and cover each of the speakers with our fingers. And if the sound is coming from two sources, that means it's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. So now let's play it. And the sound is clearly coming only from one speaker, and I would say it's a mono speaker on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.